Hello everyone. Today we visited the Sharjah Aquarium. It was a really nice experience and we got to see a lot of sea animals. We even saw this cool fountain that was in front of the aquarium. The reception looked awesome with all these animals hanging in the ceiling. These are the various types of shells. They all looked amazing. Then we came across this shark tank. Honestly, the environment looked really realistic to me. And this is the same shark tank but from below. From here, you can witness the sharks clearly. Then we came across this fish. We don't even know what this fish is, but still looks cool. Then we saw the seahorse tank. Then the puffer fish. Then we saw this humongous tank with all types of fish, from stingrays to sharks. Then we got into this place where there's water around you, but you're still protected with a tube glass. And look at these stingrays, they look so cute. Never seen a shark that looks like a stingray or a stingray that looks like a shark. It's confusing. After a few minutes, some scuba divers came to feed the fishes. He fed them tiny fishes and small dead prawns. This was really mesmerizing to watch as the fishes grouped up to take their food. I don't know how the diver does it. There are literal sharks in the tank. These fishes looked amazing in the dark. Then we came across this giant stingray and this tank which contains a lot of tiny fishes. As you can see, this is a tank to display coral reefs. Then we came across this lionfish tank. Can't lie, this lionfish looks absolutely gorgeous. These are pomfrets. We also saw this on our way. This is a maze game where you have to collect all these sea plants in order to win. But can't make it too easy. There are these fishes that can swallow you if they come across you. It's not as easy as you think, as you can't move the fish properly. This place made us feel like we were in space but also underwater. This is a place where they display the fishes with a specific type of mangrove tree. This place had this setup like a pond with tiny fishes with mustache. There were also starfishes and a stingray that barely moved. We also saw these lobsters. There were little sea urchins in the tank. The environment they created was truly amazing. This is the full view of the glass tube. Oh, and there we have a sea turtle. There were also divers who were cleaning the tank. So much fish. Look at these eel fishes, they literally wrapped around the stone. There was also a second glass tube. And both of these are actually connected. Look at those hanging in the ceilings. These look phenomenal. This is the top view of all the humongous tanks we have seen. After this is the exit way. Finally, we have finished the experience. This is a view outside of the aquarium. Hope you all had the experience with me. Thank you for watching. Bye.